Hey guys!
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're trying snacks from the whole world.
Oh man guys, today we're gonna be doing a snack crate unboxing.
I wanna do like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, we'll do that in a little bit.
Okay.
That'll be at the end.
Yeah.
What are you gonna tell them? She wants you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. But today we're gonna be doing a snack crate unboxing, and in here we have snacks from somewhere around the world. And let's see if Shiah can figure it out. I have just opened it. I have not even seen where we're gonna try snacks from today. So let's see. What does that say, Shiah?
Denmark.
Denmark. Okay. All right. I don't know what to expect from snacks from Denmark, but here is a little paper that it came with. And I think I have just like the regular subscription box because they have like a starter one, and I think I got that one like my first time, and then like every couple months, I don't even know at this point, they just charge my card and whatever. And I think I get everything that's on this page. So 12 different snacks. Think-a-doodle, we're gonna try 12 different snacks.
Yeah, I want to try this one.
Well, we'll try them in the order that they come from.
Okay.
So along with this, it tells us that the date format might be a little bit different. So, you know, like they'll just show you how the date is versus how our US date is. All right, so we don't think our stuff is like weird or expired or crazy like that.
I want to try a big piece.
Oh, look, they got some stickers in here.
Wow.
So it also comes with stickers. So these will be little Shiah boo-boos. You want one? Which one you want?
I want the mermaid.
You want the she want the mermaid one. Let me get her the mermaid.
Yeah.
We don't put it right here? Bam, right in between your cat's forehead. You earned one, good job. So this is how it comes packaged. Those things are the thing. Unfortunately, I ripped it prior to, but here is a little sticker with the little Denmark flag on there. And let's see, let's open it up. Okay. Look, Shyanne, look guys. So they package it really nicely. I really appreciate how they package it so nice and sweet. Okay, we're gonna try everything. So can you give me a second? Tankerdoodle?
Yeah.
All right, so the first things we're gonna have is Kim's snack chips.
Yummy.
You don't even know what's Kim's snack chips. Let's see.
It's Kim's snack chips.
Some crackers. They're dusted with some spices and stuff. So let's shake it up.
Okay.
You wanna go first?
Yeah.
You tell me what you think. You try it. These are pretty good. They're like,
Smells good.
if bugles were flat and a little more crunchy, this would kind of be what it is. I don't know, these are pretty good. You like them?
Tastes good.
You taste good? Me too. We're gonna kill these later. We're gonna bust these down when we get in the house, alright?
Chocolate.
What? Shiah wants to try these.
Yeah, the mine.
Look at how they spell banana. Banana. Scum banana.
Banana.
Banana. Alright. These are fruity banana flavored marshmallow coated with chocolate.
Yeah, you love chocolate.
Weirdly addictive, they say.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Alright, we're gonna get it. We get into it. Look, can I open it? Look.
Whoa, that's
I should have not opened it that way. It's really big. Uh-oh. I like, they smell good. I mean, they smell minty. I don't get where the mint aspect comes from, but they smell really minty.
Smell good. Yum. Yum, yum, yum.
They're good. They definitely have like a mint chocolate taste to them though. We'll finish those. We'll finish those too later. You like them? Greedy. We got some water here, so let me grab the water.
Marshmallow.
All right. What's these?
Kim's Oscar Pops.
Osty Pops.
Oscar Pops.
A tiny bite-sized corn-flavored snack with zesty cheese powder.
That's the same.
All right, wait a minute. Time out. This is cheese powder. You know you can't have no dairy. I'm gonna give you a little bit.
I want that.
A little bit. You can't eat a bunch of these because these is not good for you. Here. Shiah has asthma, so we stick away from the dairy. It's not that she can't have it, it's that it creates phlegm in her chest, and we don't want to deal with that.
Yum.
Oh, these are like cheese doodles, but they taste a little stale.
Yum.
I don't think that they are stale.
Yum.
I don't think that they are stale. I just
Here
think,
go like these.
yeah. I just think that they're like texture-wise a little bit different. What's these?
Kim's Smash.
Kim's Smash. A lot of these are Kim's brand. I guess Kim's must be like their brand over there, unless this is what they send me. Now, what are these?
A cone-shaped corn snack wrapped in creamy milk. Chocolate, the best of sweetie and salty.
So they're like a corn flavored chip wrapped in chocolate. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this.
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All this chocolate, child. We gonna be having to get you some
love
water.
chocolate. Oh yeah.
She's a nutcase, bro. Oh, I got the double. See? It's glad I didn't give you the double.
I want a big. I want big. I need big.
You like that?
Yeah, I want big.
One more?
Yeah, big.
No. You get the same size one. I don't know how I feel about these guys. They taste really good, but the salty kicks in real strong. Because again, the bugle type of thing. It's like a bugle covered in chocolate. I like them. Want some more water? Wash that down. Open it up. Righty tighty, lefty loose. Yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Help me, please.
I got you, kid. Huh?
I got you, kid. Now this.
Right, now this. Shiah says, now this. Super Flyers. What does it say?
A licorice spread.
A licorice.
A licorice spread staple and a dagger mark. For years, enjoy either the strawberry or salty flavored favorite.
All right, so this is like a licorice. It says either strawberry or salty licorice. Woo! Thankfully, we got strawberry because, Lord, I had some salty licorice before. And, oh.
Yummy.
We're going to share this.
Yummy.
Shiah, hold on. We're going to share this because this is a lot.
Yeah.
This is a lot. This is a big piece. And it's only like 4 in there.
4.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe like 4.
So look, it has some like strawberry filling type stuff in the inside. One side is closed, one side isn't. Look at this girl. Sweets. She's going to get cavities. Oh my God.
No.
Oh my gosh. This is too hard. You can't have this, girl.
I want to lick it.
Oh. Inside of it.
Strawberry.
Don't break your teeth. Inside of the licorice, which is extremely difficult to chew, there's some like strawberry powder. I don't understand what this is. It tastes good, but it's too much work to eat it. I can't be bothered. So what's these next little things? What's these? Bite-sized toffees with dark chocolate coating surrounding the creamy caramel core. So, what are these? Don't ask me how to say this. Yeah, anybody from Denmark watching this video? Here's a little. This is it. This is what this is. This is what it is. This little girl's
I can have a little too.
Look at you drooling. You was drooling. You can't even help yourself. Let me see if this is. If we can bite this in half. You don't need all this. Social distancing. I wish that I could.
Yummy chocolate.
You don't care. You're gonna like every single thing that comes in this basket, I'm sure. All right, Drew.
No. You don't like it?
I do.
I do too.
There's some more in there. We can put those to the side. What's this?
Yankee Original.
Yankee Original. This kind of looks like a Three Musketeers bar.
Musketeer.
No, not the Musketeer. It's toffee, nougat, and rich milk chocolate.
I love you.
You better hurry up and swallow that so you can try this, because if not, I'm skipping along, Skippy. It's real stuck to your teeth, huh?
I'm trying to get out.
You're trying to get it out. Do you want to spit it out?
I'm trying to swallow it.
Fatty.
Swallow it.
It's still there.
I'm swallow it. I'm really going to.
Okay.
Let's try this.
Let's try this. So you see, guys, I'm assuming it's definitely like a Three Musketeers bar.
Musketeer.
No, it's called the Yankee. The Yankee, okay? They trying to be like us. Yeah.
I'm Yankee.
She's having the time of her life. Cause homegirl over
And
here.
comes with this.
Yeah. Homegirl over here don't ever get to get all this deliciousness all the time. I be withholding her from the chocolate, because if I don't, she eat me out of a house and home. But she eat all the sweet stuff first. All the savory stuff. Poof. Thereafter, try to get her to eat some vegetables. And when you go upstairs, you better try some new vegetables.
Yeah.
You gonna try some string beans?
I want broccoli. I want broccoli.
Okay, I'll make you some broccoli. All right. What?
I love it.
This feels like a candy bar.
I love candy bars.
But this is like Denmark's finest chocolate combined with crisp sugar-coated almonds. So this is almond chocolate. I don't get it. It looks like those little candy-coated almonds that you see, Jordan almonds, but it feels like a candy bar. So I'm confused on what's happening. This is driving me insane. Okay, the picture is this, but this is what you're getting. A chocolate bar. First of all, you think it's gonna be pink or something.
Mixed milk chocolate coated with crispy sugar-coated almond, crunchy and sweet.
Oh, I guess there's some pink stuff in there. Okay. You could bite the little pink piece, since pink's your favorite color.
Yummy and pink. Mine.
You crazy.
Mine.
I mean, get a piece. Wait. Yep, this is good. The almond piece must be almond dust, because I don't taste no almond.
This is so soft and crunchy.
Ew! So soft and crunchy.
You don't like it?
No, it tastes good, but you just spit on me.
Sorry.
Drink some water.
Okay, I'll try a little
This
bit.
is a flipper.
I will drink some 3 sips. I'll drink 3 sips.
Okay. This is called a flipper. Flipper whipper. This is, what is this, Shia? Where's the flipper?
Here.
Where is it on here? Okay. Fluffy marshmallow texture in the shape of an adorable dolphin. Oh, we're gonna take the whole thing out. It's a dolphin.
A dolphin?
Hopefully it's a cute dolphin, because you know, like when you get those ice creams from the ice cream truck and they tell you it's gonna look like Tweety Bird, and you get it and one of Tweety Bird's eyes is down here and the other one is up here. This better be a cute dolphin.
I'm gonna try all these snacks. I'm gonna try all of them.
Aww.
A dolphin!
Look, it's so cute.
No. We can.
Ah, you ain't gonna play with it. Come here. Only I'm playing with it. Here.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna eat it.
Ouch, my hand cramp. like this.
Yum yum. You don't like it? I like it. It's so marshmallowy.
Wait, let me talk to them real quick. Let me tell them what's going on here.
Nothing.
Hold on. Wait, don't sing yet. Let me tell y'all what's going on here. This stupid thing is absolutely gross.
It sounds marshmallowy.
Yeah, it's marshmallowy, but it smells sweet. It tastes sweet, but then it has like a weird texture once you start chewing it before. Like it's hard marshmallow. Then it gets this soft grittiness to it, and then it turns into a regular marshmallow. But the flavor is like sweet, but unpleasantly sweet. Like fruity, but artificially fruity. It's a mess. You like this?
Yeah.
Of course you do. We got here two more things, guys. Two more things.
This one. Bring together the flavors of Danish chocolate and
Citrus.
And citrus, the sweet.
Oh, okay. So if you guys watched one of my old videos of me trying like snacks from UK, and they sent me this orange thing, and you pull it apart and it's just like it looks like an actual orange.
Steal my heart.
Hold on. Nobody's gonna steal your heart. It tasted like it was like an orange flavored chocolate, but it was shaped like an orange. That's what I'm assuming this is gonna be, like something of that sort. We don't got this stuff in America. We got stupid candy in America. Tell me what it tastes like.
Yum yum yum.
But what is the flavor? What do you taste? Go like that. What you taste?
Chocolate.
And what else?
It tastes like brown.
It tastes like brown. All right. So guys, that was all right. It tastes exactly like what I thought it was gonna taste like.
It didn't steal my heart.
It didn't steal your heart.
No.
Apparently they got a lot of sweet stuff.
I love sweet.
Because all the rest of this stuff, I need to find a country that only gives me savory stuff. Because I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling all this chocolate. This is her thing. That's why she's in this video with me. But she like all this sweet stuff.
Yeah.
And what's this? This look like peanuts and nougat and chocolate. Let me see. What's this?
The sweet.
Nougat, roasted peanuts laid in dark chocolate. Exactly what I felt. Here. I like the packaging though. Their packaging is so easy to open. They give you like pre-cut stuff or whatever. Okay, this is the last thing though, y'all. And we out of here.
Yeah, we out here.
Oh.
Yum.
Wait. Yeah. How's that?
Good.
This one's okay.
Now we're out here.
That one is less sweet.
Now we're out.
I think I like that more than the other chocolates. But what was your favorite thing out of everything that you had today? I'm gonna put it all out here.
This.
Shia's favorite thing was this. My favorite thing were these chips. I really do like these. So Shiah.
I want to eat them.
We're gonna go with these. My favorite.
My favorite.
Say it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh my gosh. Now you better do it. You see this little cute thing? Look at this little cute thing. She actually looks.
Bye.
Bye.